so this lesson is on interrogative pronouns, and it's our fourth lesson on pronouns. So interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used to ask a question. Who, whom, whose, what, and which are common interrogative pronouns. So we use those at the beginning of a sentence to ask a question. So we use who to refer to a person or people. We use it when it's the subject of the sentence. So we don't use it with objects, places, and we don't use it when it is an object in the sentence. So an example is, who is that man? Okay, who in the sentence is the subject, is a linking verb, man would be the predicate noun. Whom is also used to refer to a person or persons, not to things. However, it is not the subject of a sentence. It often follows words like for or to. It is used as the object of a prepositional phrase. For whom is this bouquet? So the bouquet is your subject. So this bouquet is for whom. You could write it that way too. But typically we start with the interrogative. It's the object of the preposition for here. Whose is a possessive pronoun. It shows ownership or the relationship of two nouns. And whose book is that is an example of using whose as a possessive pronoun. Whose book, right? My book. So what is used to refer to things, places, and ideas. It is not used to refer to people. What is in the bag? Okay, so here's the subject of our sentence. Is the verb, and the bag is a prepositional phrase. So it's being used as a pronoun here. Which is used when there's a choice between two or more people, places, or ideas. Which do you want? Okay, so you have a choice between two things. Which do you want? So typically the most difficult part about interrogative pronouns is identifying when they're a pronoun versus when they're an adjective. So it is used as a pronoun when it replaces the noun and the antecedents of the noun, and it's not followed by a noun. What is in the drawer? So what is the verb. There's no noun after it. In the drawer is prepositional phrase. This is the subject of your sentence. Which do you want? In this case, you is the subject, do want is the verb, and which is the direct object, right? So you want which, right? So it's the thing that you want. It's used as an adjective when it is followed by a noun and modifying the noun that follows it. So what book are you reading, right? So here we have a noun, book, right? We're asking what book. What is modifying book? Book is the direct object here. You are reading what book? Okay, that's the thing. This is an adjective, not a pronoun. Which dessert do you want? Same idea. You want which dessert? Dessert's the direct object. Which is acting as an adjective, modifying dessert. So right now we're working with pronouns. So if you're writing a sentence, you're being asked to use an interrogative pronoun, make sure you're writing it this way, right, with no noun following it, versus this way, in which case it would be an adjective.